Hi guys, my name is BeautyByAJ. In today's video I'm going to be doing a vlog of me hiking a mountain, which you can see in the background. So if you would like to see this video, make sure you keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. Very naturey. Fiance Gerald, look. Alright, so which side are we gonna go on? This way is 2 hours, but it's 4 miles. This way is 3 hours and 6 miles. What do you want to do? Let's just do the 2 hours because it's my first time hiking, so don't want to start off too big. Oh, what is that? Oh, they're lizards. Okay, it's getting a little rocky up here. The rest of the trail's really just been like a path, but this right here, we hiking. Let's see how easy you make this look. So I felt like we got lost, but we're just following the orange markers, so we're just gonna keep following that, and hopefully we see some more interesting things. We made it to the top. Bae. That was hard, wasn't it? That was hard. I'll show you the view without me falling. It is hot. We're still at the top. We're taking pictures and whatnot, but we made it. And was it worth it?
It was worth it.
At the top.
It's hot out here.
It's hot. I'm really sweating, and I don't sweat like that. Wow. I really climbed a mountain today. What in the world? Say hey. Say hey, YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
Okay, guys. We are slowly but surely making our way back down. Let me turn the camera on me. You see all this beautiful nature, you can't buy this. So we're almost down. It's going down better than it is going up, so what'd you say?
Yeah.
Going down is a little bit easier. We're almost there. Almost there. We have 0.6 miles to go. G. Yes, sir. Guys, we finally made it back. 2 hours later. So yeah, that was my little vlog. First time climbing a mountain, and I feel like I'm on top of the world and my feet hurt. But that is all I have for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, make sure you like this video, leave a comment down below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, I'll see you in my video next Friday.